What if the thing you work hardest for every month is the exact reason you'll never get rich? Your salary isn't making you secure. In a lot of cases, it's the system that keeps you poor. Stay till the end. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and what the people who escape it are doing differently. Hey, I'm Dre, and on this channel we talk about money the way it actually works, not the fairy tale version. Today we're breaking down a hard truth. A regular salary, by itself, is one of the worst tools for building real wealth. Not because working is bad, but because of how the game is designed. First problem, your salary is linear. You trade fixed hours for fixed money. Meanwhile, the cost of living, housing, healthcare, education, those things don't stay linear. They rise. Inflation quietly eats your raises. Lifestyle creep hits when you get a promotion and suddenly need a nicer apartment, better car, more dinners out. You end up making more, and still feeling broke. That's not an accident. That's how the system is structured. Second problem, governments tax earned income the heaviest. Your salary is taxed before you even see it: income tax, payroll taxes, national insurance, whatever your country calls it. Meanwhile, people who make money from investments, businesses, or capital gains often pay lower rates, or can legally delay and reduce those taxes. So the harder you work inside the salary system, the more of your effort gets skimmed off the top. You're playing the most heavily taxed game in town. Third, and this is the biggest one, a salary gives you zero ownership. You're renting your time to someone else's dream. When the company grows, the owners and shareholders get richer. You get a 3% raise and a pizza party. You have no equity. No residual income. No asset that works while you sleep. The moment you stop working, the money stops. That's not financial freedom. That's a well-paid job with a ceiling. There's a hard limit on how many hours you can sell. Even if you become the highest-paid employee in your company, your income still depends on your personal time and energy. That's why so many high earners still feel trapped. They're making good money, but they can't scale it. They can't multiply it. They're still trading life for cash. So what do people who actually build wealth do differently? They stop treating their salary as the main event. They use it as a foundation, not the destination. They build skills that can be productized or sold independently. They create or buy assets that generate income without their constant presence. They start side businesses, invest, or build systems that scale beyond their hours. They keep lifestyle inflation under control so the gap between income and expenses becomes fuel, not stress. Your salary can keep you comfortable. It almost never makes you free. If this hit a nerve, you're not alone. Millions of people are waking up to the fact that just get a good job is incomplete advice in 2026. Drop a comment and tell me, are you still fully dependent on a salary, or have you started building something on the side? If you want more real talk about money, wealth, and escaping the trap, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Stay dangerous with your money.